Happy holiday, guys! Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Nara G, and today's video is sponsored by Cricut, and so we're gonna go straight into this video. Okay, so this is my Cricut machine, CRICUT Maker 3. That was sent to me by Cricut, and I will be showing you how you can use your Cricut to actually make amazing items, which you can actually also sell. All right, so you can use your Cricut for business, and I'll be showing you how to do that. You will need to use Design Space, Cricut Design Space, which is what I am currently doing right now on my computer. You can also have the app on your phone and also do that, which I have a video on my channel showing how you can use your phone for that as well. I use the Cricut Design Space to find the designs that I need for my project, as you can see me do right now. On Cricut Design Space, you can find tons and tons of images for your projects. All of these images are free with a Cricut Access subscription. So I found these images which I really loved, and this is what I'll be using for our design today. And also alongside our design, I'll be using these styles which I got from the Home Depot to create some lovely gifts for Christmas. Okay, so I'm going to make some coasters using these styles. They measure 4.5 inches or 12 centimeters. All right, so I actually had to measure this so I know exactly how to lay out my images on Cricut Design Space prior to actually cutting it out on my Cricut. For someone like me who's always using her Cricut for creating gifts and items for friends and families, and also doing videos on YouTube where I've gotten a lot of questions from some of you, I realized that a lot of you hold back from buying Cricut because you're not very sure if you're making the right decision to buy. But I'm here today to tell you that getting a Cricut is actually a worthy investment to make. Trust me. I say so because as a Cricut member, you get access to endless project ideas, making opportunities, value in being creative for yourself and others and your community. Like, you get to make a lot of personalized gift, custom gift with your own extra touch on them, like what I'm going to do today, which is actually a gift for someone, for a friend. Okay, so these are all personalized things. And also, if you want to go the business route, you can actually use this for business. Like I had mentioned in one of my previous Cricut videos, my sister actually uses this for business and she's doing so well with it. So why can't you? All right, so stop holding back. Okay, make that investment and see how it benefits you, and see how the gift is going to keep giving. So circling back to our project, I'm currently using the Smart Vinyl Permanent to actually cut out my design, which I will go ahead to put onto my coasters, as you would see. All right, so I will just go ahead and let this cut while we go on and chit chat. All right, so at this point, if you've rushed right up to this point, I would love it if you can comment CRICUT Maker 3 in the comment section below, guys, and show your girl some love. All right, thank you. Other questions I did also get on my channel, and also from friends and family, with regards to getting a Cricut, is all the worries about if it's going to be enough for it to be used, for it to be worth it. They're going to use it enough for it to be worth it to them. Are they going to really use it? Cricut is so easy to use, guys. Like, I literally learned how to use Cricut for the first time in one day, and I did a video. So that is how easy it is to actually use a Cricut. So about being worthy for you to use it enough, that will be entirely up to you. But I can tell you that you will enjoy using your Cricut so much so that you will want to use it for every gift item that you make for your friends and family, like I'm currently doing. All right, so I'm not using it for business yet, but I actually plan on doing so eventually. And that is only because of time constraints. But so far, I enjoy using this to make custom gifts for my friends and family that has my own extra special touch, and for something, and creating things that they would not easily find elsewhere, because of course these are custom. Okay, custom made by you for you. I specifically love my Cricut Maker 3 because it is so easy to use, and I have made tons of gifts for my friends and family for this. I've made custom gifts for graduation. I've made custom gifts for my family for Christmas. The coasters that I'm currently making is actually a gift as well, which I will be giving to a friend whose name I actually picked for a Christmas event. So it goes without saying that I really love my Cricut because it helps me save a lot, guys. Because look, for instance, I'm currently making this and I got the tiles from Home Depot. They were about $10.99 for a pack of 9, and I'm doing this in sets of 3. So I'm making 3 different gift ideas, and that's costing me next to nothing, but they actually look and feel very, very high-end because I'm going to add my own touch to this using my Cricut. Okay, so yes, and I do know a lot of people that actually make coasters like this for sale, and if you do check on marble coasters, they don't come cheap, guys. So yeah, I decided to make myself some beautiful marble coasters for my friend and add my own personal touch to it using my CRICUT Maker 3. So the next step after I had my Cricut were images planted on my marble coasters, I went ahead to use Mod Podge as well as some gold leaf to add some extra touch on the sides. This is actually going to give it a high-end look, guys, as you would see once I will be done with applying this. Just watch as I do this. So if you're wondering if Cricut is good for you, use me as an example, okay? Because I initially didn't think I was going to use my Cricut as much as I'm currently using it for. Because initially I just wanted to get it to make cutouts for events, because I'm a decorator, all right? But now I use it for way more than that. I use it for cake toppers. I use it for like labels in my kitchen. I use it to make coasters, gift items for friends and family, like I already mentioned, and the possibilities are endless, guys. So yeah, definitely invest in this for yourself and then come back and thank me later, okay? So this is basically what it looked like once I had the gold leaf all placed on the sides of our coasters, guys. What do you think? Please do let me know in the comment section what your thoughts are about this particular DIY. So I'll go ahead to show you how I'm going to present this prior to putting it into a pack for packaging to my friend. Okay, so I'll use some branch. I got the pine bush somewhere outside, and then I'm going to use some fake holly berries, and then this gold twine to actually wrap them together as you will find in the store, but this time around I'm adding a Christmas touch to it. Okay, so I made a pretty bowl, and then I will go ahead to add my holly berries as well as my pine branch onto it to give it that Christmas touch. And voila, there we have it. A Cricut made Christmas gift, guys. Tell me why I would not love my Cricut. This is so simple, easy, meaningful gift you can make with Cricut. And this is just one of many. So yes, I definitely rate my Cricut a 20/10. In fact, 100/10 if I can, because like I said, the possibilities are endless. So yeah, do let me know what your thoughts are about these coasters brought to you by Cricut in the comment section below. So yeah, I'm just showing you how I had this displayed at my home prior to actually gifting this to my friend. In case you didn't know what a coaster is, you can place your coffee mug or your wine glass on top of this, or you could just use it as a decorative piece like some people do, okay? I absolutely love how this turned out, guys. So I would love to know your thoughts about it in the comments section. So the next one that I also did were these beautiful Christmas design or images, which I also had from the Cricut design space and had them cut out on the gold smart vinyl. I will go ahead to use my weeding tool, my Cricut weeding tool, to take that out. And then we'll go ahead to lay them out on those 2 vases which I got from the Dollar Tree for Christmas All right, so these are actually going to be my Christmas candy jars from my kids and my nieces and nephews, and to actually, have some fun with it, because I plan on doing some game time with them, and then winners will get to get some surprise or candy from these jars. All right, so why not make them even more Christmassy? So yeah, I'll go ahead to use my transfer tape to move them over to the jar, as you would see. Just watch as I complete this. So in case you haven't noticed, Christmas decorative jars like this actually go for a lot more than just $1.50, and you're using your Cricut to actually personalize them to your own taste. Okay, so you can see how Cricut can save you money and as well make you money in case you decide to make this for business and sell them on places like Etsy, wherever. All right, so yeah, that is how much I love my Cricut, because it not only helped me to save money, but it also helps me to make money, because while saving money, I'm making money somehow. And when I eventually do go down the business route, I'll be making actual money at that time as well. All right, so do get yourself a Cricut, and like I said, come thank me later. So as you would have noticed, I used just the gold and black and red vinyl for this project, as well as green, but not green vinyl because there's already the green lead, right? But just sticking with the Christmas colors was the idea. Okay, so you can use any other colors of your choosing, because Cricut Design Space and Cricut Store, I'll have the links down below, have different colors of vinyl that you can actually use for different projects. Like, the possibilities are endless, guys. I cannot overemphasize anymore, but yes, that is just it. All right, so this is basically it with our vases. I'll go ahead and fill them up with candy, and this is basically the final look. What do you think? Please do let me know in the comment section what your thoughts are about these simple yet very cute jars brought to you by Cricut. So let me know which of these two DIYs was your favorite, so do comment down below. And that will bring us to the end of today's video, guys. If you did enjoy this video, do not forget to hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you do not miss a thing. In the meantime, always remember to be your fun self no matter what life throws at you. Thank you for watching, and happy holidays.